This is to do a review for quick warning first. This is for educational and informational purposes only, and you are responsible for your own trading decisions. This is to do a review for November 19th, Wednesday. Um, I took it in Nasdaq, and so I did lose here. Um, I think I've started to understand my mistake. And so this is just noting down here that I just casually, very casually sold it as it was um as the bars were bullish. So I don't sell on bullish bars. This is not my entry, and just very casually I had entered. So just taking a note of that. I need to be careful that I don't just casually enter the market with big size. Um, let's go over Nasdaq for 19, which is this is 18. So this is 18. Closes in bear breakout. This is 19, right? Go to 19. So I think being that it closed in bear breakout, I was under the impression of just selling. Um, but let's see. So so I thought that this was a rounding top, and then that this was a breakout. Then I saw this pin bar, and I was like, I think FOMO. I was like, oh, it's going. But it reversed. So let's go over why and how it reversed. Um, so um, I've noticed that whenever it engulfs the structure, then I need to give that um more weight for my bias. So this engulf this structure, then that means now it's making higher highs. So this higher high, this higher high, and then this higher high. So now it's making higher highs. Um, I haven't come up with rules, but just this this much I've noticed that once it breaks the neckline, then I need to, we can call it a decisive breakout. Once it breaks out the neckline through the neckline, and so it started to make higher highs, higher highs. This looks like a rounding top, reversal, and it looked like good consolidation, lengthy, uh, the length of the reversal was, I thought that the length of the reversal was also significant, but um, so I need to give the structure more weight, meaning higher highs more weight than the pattern. So it broke out through this decisive breakout, and then it's making higher highs. So when it's making higher highs, I think I need to treat the reversal pattern as a continuation pattern. So this indeed became a continuation pattern, and so we get very nice, very nice breakout. So yesterday did close in breakout, but taking a look at today's price action, right? Uh, so this number one breaks the neckline, call it decisive breakout, and hence registering higher highs, higher highs. Then number two, we get a reversal pattern, this rounding top, which is actually a continuation pattern for us because it's making higher highs, right? And then we have a breakout. Call it market structure. Name of the trade could be market structure, or this one could be um, rounding top. Length could be medium. It's not too small. It's not extensively big. I would call it medium. Length, I would say maybe if I were to rate the length, I would say 5 points. This is interesting. Could go for this. Comes comes to the closing price. So both of these are not bad. So this is 930 pin bar. Yep. So this pin bar could be taken. Then we have this small rounding top. This could be taken. This is 1020. This is the inside bar. So I think just pin bar at the high of the day and at the outer Bollinger Band, I wouldn't I wouldn't feel that, oh, it's enough. Now let's short it. I wouldn't feel confident. I wouldn't feel that it's enough. But um this doesn't break out a small small pin bar inside day. This closes and breakout below the inside bar candle. So I think taking this one, I would feel a bit more confident. So this one can be sideways at the high of the day. Then so let's do the TP for buy for this one. So first breakout, second breakout. If we go break even here, then this also breaks out. This breaks out. We put it here. This breaks out. We could move it up here. This breaks out. We're here. Breaks out. We're here. Doesn't break out. Sort of breaks out. Breaks out. We are here. We have the pin bar at the high of the day at the Bollinger Band, and with this one should be trailing very tightly. So if we're here, then we're out here, or should definitely be out here with this one closing below this one. So either we're out here or here, or we sell into the momentum, as I'll try to sell up here, maybe try to sell above the the high of yesterday, maybe a few points, or as it's trying to break out, we're trailing it maybe tightly. As for this one, this could certainly be the first leg. right? This one, first leg. Then we have the second leg. Um, I don't know if we are out here, because this closes above here, this one. Or if we understand that we have a flag and this is the first leg, if we hold through this one, then we have a breakout. Maybe the stop loss goes here. Maybe after this one, put it here. This breaks out over here. This breaks out over here. Now we're either out at the closing price. Yeah. So out at the closing price is best, or we're giving up this much, this candle, and then we're out here.